Hey guys, hope you guys are doing well, and yeah, I just wanted to make a video in terms of a npm run dev issue that I was running into, more specifically inside Laravel, and it looks like the issues it was having was compiling Laravel Mix and properly running npm run dev and run watch. So yeah, so the issue was it's been a project that I somehow lost this connection to on my Mac, and I actually had to re-pull it from GitHub and install it locally. So I forgot to install. I forgot to do a composer update, and like obviously thinking that all the files and everything is still there. So every time I ran npm run dev or npm run watch to compile the Vue.js and JS files that I've been working on, it just kept on running into these issues. And when I started looking at the log, I tried like copy pasting a few things, trying to find the issue on why it's not compiling. And I saw a few suggestions, of other people also having a similar issue, like obviously removing node modules that were just installed, and then removing package lock.json if it was installed, clearing the npm cache, and then reinstalling. But I kept on running into issues. What I actually forgot to do is, and if you have the same issue, just make sure that like you do a composer update. Just update composer, and yeah. So another issue I ran into. Let me just quickly go into here. And I know I've seen a few other people struggle with it, so yeah, I just wanted to make a video tackling both the npm issue, and then also I forgot what you call it. Let me just quickly find it again here. Cool. So when I ran composer updates, sometimes just because my Mac is really running out of space and I need to upgrade it and that sort of stuff, I kept on running in this PHP Fatal error. I've run into it in the past. Allowed memory size bytes have been exhausted, and yeah. So what I did to override that was basically to run composer memory limits, -1 for unlimited composer update, and then that basically forced it and basically installed install the packages. And I'm using Laravel Spark, by the way. And yeah, so that fixes it. And also if you have a package that is struggling to require, just do the same to basically just run composer memory limit, and I'll put it into the video below if any of you run into any of these issues. And yeah, I just wanted to put this out there just in case any of you guys struggle with what I just struggled with. I know it can be super frustrating, and yeah, I'm just putting this out there to help you guys. And then yeah, after I basically successfully updated composer, I was able to successfully install npm. And yeah, and then I just ran npm run watch, which obviously like it had a successful run. And yeah, I'm sure that if I run npm run production, it will most definitely work, and we can actually just check it out if it will work here. But yeah, I'm gonna put this article on Medium, and also obviously YouTube, just in case any of you guys run into the same issue, because I know there's a few it's sometimes there is information out there and people that have encountered the similar issues, but sometimes it's, hey, did you update composer, and sometimes if you needed to update composer, depending on what computer you're using, might run into a PHP Fatal. So yeah, I just thought just putting this out there to help you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good one, and happy coding.